My name is Mamie Wheaton, and I am a certified financial planner at LearnLux. Today, we are going to talk about the current federal student loan freeze and how it may impact you. A little bit of background. In March of 2020, the CARES Act was signed into law. One of the provisions of the CARES Act was a freeze on all federal student loan payments through September 30th of 2020. This was then renewed through January 31st of 2021. In January of 2021, the president signed an executive order extending the freeze until September 30th of this year. So, what does that mean for you? If you have federal student loans, you are not required to make payments through September of 2021. All payments should have been automatically stopped by your loan servicer. If you have federal student loans and payments are still going through, you can reach out to your servicer and request they be stopped and refunded back to you. During this freeze, you will not be penalized for not making payments on your student loans, and no new interest will accrue on your loans. This can be an excellent opportunity to use the money that would go towards loan payments for other things, like increasing your emergency savings, paying down some debt like credit cards or personal loans, or saving for another goal you may have in mind. A common question we receive is, if I am not facing a financial hardship, should I continue to pay my loans? The answer is, it depends on your personal situation and the type of repayment plan you are on. If you are in a position to continue to make loan payments, there is a benefit to continuing those payments. Because interest is currently not accruing on your loans due to the freeze, any payments you make now will go directly towards principal. This could significantly chip away at your loan balance and potentially save you a lot of money and cut time off your loan. If you do decide to make your payments, you will need to contact your loan servicer directly to make an arrangement. This freeze only applies to federal student loans. Unfortunately, private loans are not eligible for this arrangement. Some private lenders are offering exceptions during this time, so if you are having trouble paying your private student loans, please contact your lender and ask if there's anything that they can do. Some of you may have heard about the possibility of federal student loans getting forgiven. As of now, there is no concrete information on if this will happen or a specific dollar amount. This is currently being discussed by the federal government, and if it does happen, we will be making an update letting you know all the details. If you have more specific questions around how you should utilize the money, or if you should continue making your student loan payments, please schedule a meeting with your LearnLux certified financial planner and we can discuss your options in greater detail.